If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The toolbar that appears at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box contains buttons for tools and also buttons that change the panel to its left, where you can then access more tools and settings to edit the opened Camera Raw image. You can click the Edit button in the toolbar, which is selected by default, to view the Basic, Detail, and Calibration tabs to its left within the Edit panel. This is where you'll make most of your image adjustments to Camera Raw images in the Camera Raw dialog box. We'll discuss the various settings within each tab in this panel in detail in later lessons of this chapter. When the Edit button in the toolbar is selected, then the default tool that appears when you hold your pointer over the preview image is the Zoom tool. When this tool is active, you can click the preview image to zoom in to the area at which you clicked. You set the zoomed in magnification level by selecting it from the Zoom Settings drop-down below and to the left of the preview image. To zoom out, click the image again. To temporarily switch to the Hand tool, when the Zoom tool is selected, hold down either the Control or Spacebar key on your keyboard. To temporarily switch to the White Balance tool instead, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Clicking the Hand tool button that appears at the bottom of the toolbar at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box lets you switch to using the Hand tool by default. The Hand tool lets you scroll and pan the preview image in the frame provided. Click and drag the preview image when using the Hand tool to move it within the frame. To temporarily switch to the Zoom tool to zoom in when the Hand tool is selected, hold down the Control key or Alt key on your keyboard. To temporarily switch to the White Balance tool instead, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Clicking the White Balance tool button within the expanded Basic tab in the Edit panel that appears to the left of the toolbar when the Edit button is selected lets you use the White Balance tool by default. The White Balance tool sets the correct white balance in the photo to remove color casts from improper lighting when the photo was taken. This tool changes the temperature and tint values in the Basic tab to make the adjustment. To use the White Balance tool, click into a place in the preview image that should contain a neutral gray tone to remove any color casts and adjust the color of the whole image. To turn off the White Balance tool, click the button again to deselect it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.